Hey, this is Unreal Science. Today we are heading right to the center of the Milky Way to meet the black hole that hold our galaxy together. Ready? Let's go.
Did you know there's a supermassive black hole right at the center of our galaxy? Its name is Sagittarius A star, written as Sagittarius A star, pronounced a star. It's not science fiction. It's not hidden in another galaxy. It's here, in our home, at the core of the Milky Way. And the more we learn about it, the more mind-blowing it becomes. Let's take a journey into the most powerful object we've never seen. Sagittarius A star is located about 26,000 light-years from Earth, buried in the dense, star-packed region known as the galactic center. From here on Earth, we can't see it in visible light. Too much dust and gas block the view. But through radio waves and infrared telescopes, we can detect its presence. And what we found is staggering. This black hole contains the mass of over 4 million suns, all packed into an area smaller than our solar system. To be more precise, it's about 44 million kilometers across, just under the size of Mercury's orbit. And yet, despite its mass, it emits no light of its own. It's pure gravity, invisible but irresistible. So how do we know it's really there? The answer? By watching stars dance. Over the past 2 decades, astronomers have tracked stars near the galactic center, and they move in perfect orbits around, well, nothing visible at least. One of these stars, S2, has become famous. It completes a full orbit every 16 years, sometimes traveling at over 7,600 kilometers per second, about 2.5% of the speed of light. No normal object could cause that. No cluster of stars, no cloud of gas, only something compact and incredibly massive, a supermassive black hole. In 2022, the Event Horizon Telescope gave us the first ever image of Sagittarius A star. Not a photo in the classic sense, but an interferometric image made from synchronized radio telescopes across the globe. The result? A glowing orange ring. Blurry, yes, but scientifically monumental. We were looking at the shadow of the event horizon where space and time fold into the unknown, a point of no return. But why does Sagittarius A star matter so much? It's not just a curiosity. It's fundamental to understanding galaxies themselves. Most large galaxies, including the Milky Way, host supermassive black holes at their centers. Some are hundreds of millions of solar masses. Some, like the one in Galaxy M87, are billions. And yet we still don't know the order of things. Did galaxies form first and then create black holes? Or did early black holes act as seeds around which galaxies formed? There's more. Black holes might not just sit in galaxies. They could shape them. They may regulate star formation, stir gas clouds, and eject high-energy jets that sculpt the galaxy's structure over billions of years. Think about that. Something invisible, shaping the visible universe, and it's sitting right at the heart of our own cosmic home. Despite its terrifying reputation, Sagittarius A star is quiet. It's what scientists call quiescent, not actively devouring matter like other, more violent black holes. But sometimes it flares. Every so often, it eats a passing gas cloud or star fragment and briefly lights up. We don't know when the next flare will happen or what it might mean. Here's a thought. If you replaced our sun with Sagittarius A star, Earth would be swallowed instantly. But if you placed it where the sun is with the same mass, we'd still orbit it. Just fine, because gravity depends on mass, not size. It's only when you get close, too close, that things get weird. Black holes in many ways are less about destruction and more about mystery. They force us to rethink space, time, and the limits of human understanding. Einstein predicted them, Hawking explored them, and now we've imaged one at the center of our galaxy. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember somewhere in the heart of the stars, a colossal object is warping time and bending the rules of physics. And it's not in another galaxy, it's here. If you enjoyed this journey into the dark heart of the Milky Way, check out our other videos on space, galaxies, and the edge of the universe. Like, subscribe, and as always, stay curious. Because in this universe, the questions never stop.